So one of the things that you can do in Microsoft Planner is go ahead and add in labels to tasks as necessary. So you might want to go ahead and visually see what task is what. So to do that, you want to go ahead onto a particular task card right here. And then over here, you can see that add label is an option. So here what you can do is you can go ahead and add in different labels to it. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say important. So I'm going to add in cranberry right here, but I can actually go ahead right here and change the text of the cranberry right here, like important right here, just like this. So once you do that, the label is added onto the card just like this, as you can see. So you can go around onto other card that may be important and simply go ahead right here onto add label and then choose the same important label right here. You can even go ahead and add in two labels if you want. So I'm just going to go around over here and let's just go around onto blue right here, and I'm going to go around and say creative right here, just like this, and close it out. So this is how you can go ahead and label. And if I were to go around over here onto the grid mode, you can see the labels around over here just like this as well. So you can see that this is creative and important, and you can go around over here onto this label right here just like this and add in the label as needed just like that as well. So that is how you can go ahead and add labels to tasks inside of Microsoft Planner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.